videos as well, like some small things like, you know, how to remove things off of cars. If you want to know how to like remove something on a 350Z, like let's just say the center console, then right now is the time to say it in the comments, because I'm going to try to get this car out of my shop as quickly as possible. But I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to, you know, like drop something in the comments if you want to know how to do something. It's time seeing the car. It just got dropped off while I was gone. Fucking tires on the back are bald. Tires on the front are alright. Let's see. The fenders though, so hopefully they're not too fucked up. Looks like just the radiator support is bad. This is the fender I need for Selena's old car. Wrap this. Yeah. Oh, there's a backpack in there. So this is pretty much the way I get cars. Like, literally I'll get it, I'll kind of go through it. There's not a lot. It doesn't look like there's anything really in the trunk in that car, but it's nasty. Where are the keys? Looks like some motorcycle gear or something. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check the oil before I even start the car. That way I can get the car into the shop and make sure I don't blow up the engine in the process. So now what I do is I have a checklist here of everything that needs to be checked before I start pulling the car apart. And I mean, there's a lot more that goes into checking everything than just this, but I like using these sheets because they're pretty nice. They're detailed. I get to keep a record of the car, and if somebody tries to return something that I know I tested, I already have the information here. What are these though? These look like they're off of a 370Z. I wonder if they work, because that would be a cool install to do on my car. What these do, which is pretty cool. I'll probably end up putting those on my car. Both of them work. They look pretty cool. I don't know if they're aftermarket or real genuine Nissan ones, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna try to air up this tire, see if this tire is still good. This whole rear end looks good. It doesn't look like it has any major damage or anything to it. It's like something on it here, but I don't know what that is. Hoping there's no like Bondo under this. Hopefully there's no like real damage to this back bumper, because if there is, then the only thing I'll be using is the quarter panels and stuff. I'll buy another bumper. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking apart this front end and working on getting this car ready, because I want to drive it over to my friend's shop right down the street and wash it real quick. That way I can see the body condition a lot better, because I've got a lot of people interested in a lot of parts on this car. So I want to make sure that all the parts are, you know, in decent shape. There's no big dents, dings, or deep scratches on them. Alright guys, so I've got the car pretty much stripped. All I have to do is, we're not stripped, but I mean I've got the front end pretty much taken apart to the point where I can take it over there and pressure wash the car. I'm going to clean off the engine, see if I can see any leaks or anything. and pressure wash the rest of the car. So far it looks pretty good. I can't disconnect the radiator because this is an automatic transmission, and what will happen is it'll start spitting out all the transmission fluid as I drive over there. So I only have to drive right back there to that back fence where that little Toyota Corolla is sitting. This is pretty much the car right now. Can't wait to put these taillights on my car though. It's pretty cool, like it's not that terrible, but got a bunch of people interested in the rims. After everything got washed up, it looks pretty nice. I don't see any leaks or anything. It does actually look pretty good. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to end the video here. It's been one hell of a day. Got the whole front end taken apart. Tomorrow I'm going to run up to the powder coating place and I'm going to see if the calipers are ready yet. I'm going to be so stoked if they're going to be ready tomorrow. If you guys see any parts on this car that you need, I can ship anywhere in the US. So if you need a part, I can ship it anywhere as long as it's not like a door or something. I mean, I can ship doors, it's just kind of a pain in the ass. So if you need anything off this car or any of the other cars you see in these videos, alright, but if you guys need any other parts, you can always comment below or you can hit me up on my Instagram. I'll leave the Instagram and my Facebook both in the description below. And like always, if you have any questions about anything in these videos, drop it in the comment section. I'd be happy to help, and I'll see you guys in the next video.